Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Hyundai Sonata headlight bulb. First, ensure your car is safely parked with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. You'll need a new bulb, typically an H7 or 9005, and possibly a flathead screwdriver for some models. Always wear clean gloves when handling the new bulb to prevent oils from shortening its lifespan. Now, let's get to the bulb. Look behind the headlight assembly. You'll see a round, black dust cap. Gently twist this cap about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to remove it. Next, carefully pull the electrical connector straight off the back of the bulb. You might then need to unhook a small metal retaining clip by pressing down and swinging it aside. With the clip released, you can now gently pull the old bulb straight out. Take your new bulb, holding it only by its base, and carefully insert it into the headlight housing. Ensure the tabs on the bulb align perfectly with the slots in the housing. Once seated, swing the metal retaining clip back into place and secure it. Finally, push the electrical connector firmly onto the new bulb. Almost done. Now, replace the black dust cap, twisting it clockwise until it's snug and sealed. Carefully lower and close your car's hood. The final, crucial step is to test your new headlight. Turn on your vehicle's lights, checking both the low beam and high beam functions to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your headlight bulb and are ready to drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.